The ID house was designed to meet the needs of a small family with 2 children. The central goal is to create an environment that fosters family interaction and shared moments. Situated within the serene ambiance of an urban housing complex, it was built on a 300 square meters area with a total building area of 500 square meters. Spanning 3 distinct floors, the house features a unique spatial arrangement that enhances the living experience. The first floor has an open plan concept, merging the living and dining areas to create a harmonious environment. This design choice dissolves the boundaries between the interior and the adjacent garden, establishing a strong connection with nature. On the second floor, there is a family room, a guest bedroom, and a work area. At this level, a large void pierces through the middle, effectively linking the family room and the dining area on the first floor. This architectural element fosters a sense of continuity and unity within the house, further encouraging family togetherness. The third floor serves as a space for privacy and relaxation. It houses the master bedroom and the children's bedrooms, providing each family member with their own personal retreat. This separation of spaces on the upper level allows for quiet solitude when needed, while the lower floors remain dedicated to communal living and interaction. The house was designed to connect the feeling of space between the activities of the first floor, dining room, and the second floor, family room, through the void in the center of the house, while also creating outdoor gardens that connect to the interior of the residence.